Have you given thought to the concept of incarnation? This captivating belief system introduces us to the concept of avatar, a Sanskrit term for descent, signifying the divine taking earthly form. It denotes the physical manifestation of a deity on earth, often appearing as a spiritual teacher. Avatar technically refers to an incarnation, representation, or embodiment of an individual or concept. This unique feature is not merely a theological construct, but a cosmic necessity. These divine descents are believed to occur to restore cosmic order. Whenever the balance between good and evil is disrupted, one of the most revered deities who is known for his numerous incarnations is Lord Vishnu. In the sacred verses of the Bhagavad Puran, it is eloquently articulated that when malevolence overshadows benevolence, when the luminous rays of righteousness are eclipsed by the shadows of evil, and when justice falters under the weight of tyranny, Lord Vishnu descends upon the terrestrial realm to reinstate Dharma, the cosmic order, and illuminate the path of righteousness for humanity by combating wickedness. While the expansive lore of Sanatan Dharma speaks of numerous incarnations of Lord Vishnu, the Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1, Chapter 3 sheds light on some pivotal avatars. We find here that the Lord has graced the earth with his divine presence 23 times as an avatar, each time assuming a distinct form. Prophecies resonate with the anticipation of his 24th avatar, awaited as the culmination of Kali Yuga, the present epoch. Let us talk about the first 12 avatars of Lord Vishnu today in this first part of my video. Each of them are unique. The Puranas describe Adi Purush as the initial avatar of Lord Vishnu, also recognized as Lord Narayana, responsible for creating the universe, after which he manifested as the foremost man, earning the title of the first man in the cosmos, hence termed Adi Purush. Adi signifies original or first, while Purush translates as man or person. Thus, Adi Purush signifies the original man or first man. The second avatar of Lord Vishnu manifested as four eternally youthful sages named Sanak, Sanandana, Sanatan, and Sanat Kumara, also known as Sankadi Rishis or the Four Kumars. They were entrusted with the duty of imparting spiritual knowledge and wisdom, guiding beings towards righteousness and self-realization. Representing the virtues of brahmacharya or continence and chastity, these sages symbolize the pursuit of salvation or moksha. Brahmacharya serves to purify the conscience, encompassing aspects like manas or thought, buddhi or intellect, chit or cosmic intelligence, and ahankar or arrogance. The third avatar took the form of Varaha, a boar, to save the earth from the cosmic ocean's depths and vanquish the demon Hiranyaksha. The Varaha avatar symbolizes santosh or contentment, emphasizing the importance of contentment in all circumstances. The fourth avatar appeared as Devarshi Narad, tasked with disseminating devotion, spiritual insight, and divine affection. Narad Muni represents bhakti, denoting unselfish love. Following the practices of brahmacharya and santosh, bhakti emerges and flourishes. The fifth avatar manifested as Nar Narayan, engaging in intense penance and sharing spiritual wisdom. Nar Narayan signifies that as bhakti thrives, one achieves a profound realization of the Almighty. The sixth avatar was Kapil Muni, spreading the intricate teachings of the Sankhya philosophy or Sankhya Darshan, which clarify the essence of reality, differentiate between matter and spirit, and outline the route to liberation. Kapil Muni symbolized Gyan or spiritual wisdom and Vairagya or detachment. Bhakti or devotion finds stability through spiritual wisdom and detachment. The seventh avatar materialized as Dattatreya, merging the energies of Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva while sharing spiritual teachings. Dattatreya exemplifies that when five qualities, brahmacharya, santosh, Gyan, Bhakti, and Vairagya, manifest in life, one transcends all attributes and becomes gunati or beyond all properties. The eighth avatar was Yagya, emerging to rescue the god from oppression of the evil demons. Yagya represents a ritual conducted to appease the god. Yagya manifested during the Swayambhu Manvantar to safeguard it. The ninth avatar was Rishabdev, also referred to as Lord Rishabh, who descended to set forth the principles of dharma or righteousness and steer beings towards spiritual liberation. He embodied the journey of renunciation and self-realization. The 10th avatar was Adiraj Prithu, aiming to create a fair and flourishing kingdom on earth. He addressed the needs of his subjects and set up a kingdom rooted in righteousness. This avatar reclaimed land for farming, ensured the well-being of the populace, and founded a thriving society. The 11th avatar emerged as Matsya, a humongous fish, to prevent the world's devastation. It aimed to safeguard the first man, Manu, from an immense flood and preserve the Veds, the sacred scriptures, as well as a small sample of all life forms on earth. The 12th avatar was Kurma or Kachak, a giant turtle whose role was to stabilize and serve as the foundation during the churning of the cosmic ocean or Samudra Manthan. In their diverse forms and epochs, these incarnations coalesce around a singular purpose: to thwart malevolence and resurrect Dharma, ensuring the cosmic wheel of existence spins harmoniously under Vishnu's benevolent gaze. Stay tuned for the second part of this video, where we will talk about the next 12 of the 24 avatars of Lord Vishnu. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe.